Here are some commonly misspelled words along with their correct spellings. Write in and check. Let's start. Acknowledge, beleaguer, committed, disappoint, embarrassment, fascination, gratefulness, harassment, independent, jewelry, tragedy, unforeseen, vacuum, Caribbean, labyrinth, maintenance, necessary, occasion, paralyze, questionnaire, receive, separate, thousand, unconscious, vegetarian, warrant, privilege, kernel, vacuum, weird, xylophone, zealous, accomplishment, bulletin, dilemma, exaggeration, floscent, grammar, xenophobia, yacht, indispensable, receipt, hierarchical, inoculation, knowledgeable, liaison, millennium, necessary, occurrence, pronunciation, rhythm, supersede, zucchini, anonymous, maneuver, durilla, cemetery, calendar, mischievous, restaurant, beginning, conscience, perseverance, Mediterranean, parallel, supersede, miscellaneous, ecstasy, recipient, breed. Here are some important antonyms, opposite words, along with their meanings that can be helpful for SSC exams. 1. Apathetic, antonym, enthusiastic. 2. Obsolete, antonym, current. 3. Praise, antonym, criticize. 4. Generous, antonym, stingy. 5. Harmful, antonym, beneficial. 6. Friendly, antonym, hostile. 7. Innocent, antonym, guilty. 8. Accept, antonym, reject. 9. Start, antonym, cease. 10. Vast, antonym, tiny. 11. Abundant, antonym, scarce. 12. Generous, antonym, stingy. 13. Brave, antonym, cowardly. 14. Harmony, antonym, discord. 15. Excessive, antonym, moderate. 16. Flexible, antonym, inflexible. 17. Optimistic, antonym, pessimistic. 18. Constructive, antonym, destructive. 19. Sincere, antonym, insincere. 20. Humble, antonym, arrogant. 21. Familiar, antonym, unfamiliar. 22. Benevolent, antonym, malevolent. 23. Concise, antonym, wordy. 24. Courageous, antonym, timid. 25. Optimistic, antonym, cynical. 26. Flexible, antonym, rigid. 27. Diligent, antonym, lazy. 28. Honest, antonym, dishonest. 29. Cautious, antonym, reckless. 30. Benevolent, antonym, malevolent. 31. Sincere, antonym, insincere. 32. Modest, antonym, boastful. 33. Humility, antonym, arrogance. 34. Eloquent, antonym, inarticulate. 35. Loyal, antonym, disloyal. 36. Respectful, antonym, disrespectful. 37. Generous, antonym, miserly. 38. Harmony, antonym, discord. 39. Harsh, antonym, gentle. 40. Excessive, antonym, moderate. 41. Transparent, antonym, opaque. 42. Calm, antonym, turbulent. 43. Praise, antonym, criticism. 44. Constructive, antonym, destructive. 45. Innocent, antonym, guilty. 46. Stagnant, antonym, dynamic. 47. Free, antonym, restricted. 48. Secure, antonym, vulnerable. 49. Easy, antonym, difficult. 50. Smart, antonym. Here are 50 important idioms along with their meanings. 1. A penny for your thoughts, asking someone what they are thinking. 2. Bite the bullet, to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. 3. Break a leg, a way to wish someone good luck. 4. Burning the midnight oil, working late into the night. 5. Don't cry over spilled milk, don't dwell on past mistakes or mishaps. 6. Every cloud has a silver lining, even in difficult situations, there is something positive. 7. Jumping on the bandwagon, joining a popular trend or activity. 8. Kill two birds with one stone, accomplishing two tasks with a single effort. 9. Piece of cake, something very easy to do. 10. The ball is in your court, it's your turn to take action or make a decision. 11. Walking on eggshells, being very cautious in your actions or words to avoid upsetting someone. 12. The early bird catches the worm, being prompt and proactive leads to success. 13. A picture is worth 1,000 words, visual images can convey complex ideas. 14. Actions speak louder than words, what you do is more important than what you say. 15. Burning bridges, ruining relationships or opportunities beyond repair. 16. Don't count your chickens before they hatch, don't assume success before it's certain. 17. In hot water, in trouble or facing difficulties. 18. Jumping to conclusions, making hasty judgments without sufficient evidence. 19. On the same page, in agreement or having a shared understanding. 20. Spill the beans, to reveal a secret. 21. The apple of one's eye, a person who is very special or cherished. 22. Turn a blind eye, ignoring something intentionally. 23. Cost an arm and a leg, be very expensive. 24. Getting cold feet, becoming anxious or hesitant before taking action. 25. Hitting the nail on the head, describing something precisely or accurately. 26. Keep an eye on the ball, stay focused on a particular task or goal. 27. Once in a blue moon, something that happens very rarely. 28. Saved by the bell, rescued or saved from a difficult situation. 29. Take it with a grain of salt, don't take something too seriously or literally. 30. A watched pot never boils, time seems to pass slowly when you're waiting for something. 31. All ears, eagerly listening or paying full attention. 32. Don't judge a book by its cover, don't form opinions based on appearances alone. 33. Hit the hay, go to bed or get some sleep. 34. Kick the bucket, pass away or die. 35. Make a long story short, summarize something briefly. 36. Read between the lines, understand a deeper or hidden meaning in what is said or written. 37. The last straw, the final, unbearable thing that causes one to give up or take action. 38. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Someone who keeps moving and changing will not accumulate burdens or responsibilities. 39. Back to the drawing board, starting over because the previous plan or attempt failed. 40. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't risk everything on a single opportunity. 41. Hit the nail on the head, to describe something perfectly or accurately. 42. Let the cat out of the bag, to reveal a secret. 43. The ball is in your court, the next move or decision is yours to make. 44. Turn over a new leaf, to start anew or make a fresh start. 45. A penny saved is a penny earned. Saving money is as valuable as earning it. 46. Back to square one, starting over from the beginning. 47. Break the ice, to ease tension or start a conversation in a social setting. 48. Cry over spilled milk, worrying about something that has already happened and cannot be changed. 49. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Don't harm or show ingratitude to those who support you. 50. Hit the ground running, to start a project or task with great energy and enthusiasm. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I genuinely hope you found this video valuable and informative. Remember, knowledge is power, and I'm here to empower you on your journey to success in all your upcoming competitive exams, whether it's for SSC, PSC, railways, district courts, or any other competitive challenge you're taking on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content to aid you in your preparations. Also, share this video with your friends and fellow aspirants who might benefit from it. Your support means the world to us, and we're committed to helping you achieve your goals. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and you're one step closer to acing those exams. Best of luck, and remember, you have got this. See you in the next video.